This rolling backpack is really cool and I want to show you about it. It has lots of different compartments. You can see there's one here right in the front and then 2 more right behind it. Water bottle storage on both sides. And what's cool about this is it has wheels on the bottom, so you can use it as a roller or you can use it as a backpack. It obviously has that handle that pops up when you're rolling it. So both methods are going to be super awesome, comfortable. I love that it has like some padding on the back to protect your little kid's back so that it doesn't hurt their back. Okay, so here it is, used as a roller. Super nice for traveling and light enough for the kids. Okay, we're going to show you how to put it into a backpack. So you're just going to first start putting down the handle, and then you'll just pull out the straps on the back, and they have a little clip that clips on at the bottom. Okay, so we got both of those straps strapped on for the backpack, and we also attached that wheel cover. So we're just going to put it on like a backpack. Perfect. Okay, turn around, let's see it. So cute.